See, I'm starting to believe we were put here to shine, just like the bright lights of the big city. What y'all think?
Skylines and city lights are all I see as I'm wasting away. I need the city to remind me there's life out there surviving. If you could see me, I would thank you, 'cause I can't see anything you see through. I can't look straight, and I can't believe that the heat is not a burden, just a bad dream. I could fake a front, so you think I'm in. I could play it off as life is playing up my sin, but I come home like a traded fool when all I really want is something real from you. Life keeps on moving even when my heart has stopped. This world keeps spinning even when your love hasn't left my heart. Time's not affected when you decide to just be still. My thoughts are holding me against my will. Skylines and city lights are all I see as I'm wasting away. You came into my life, and all of me is wasting away. Skylines and city lights are all I see as I'm wasting away.
And I don't know if it's the lights that make it look good or it's the dark. I'm just happy to be real in a world that's mad fake. That can't stop me, my life got bad breaks. Dreams come true, I finally convince myself, and still wake up every morning and pinch myself. I'm a role model, she's centerfold models, and we both ghosts, but in the rose model. There's ups and downs to my understanding. To be fly, it's gonna be takeoffs and landings. While you do, at least you get to see the skyline. The good life contract, where do I sign? So when I shine, baby you shine, 'cause life's a bitch that you can't two-time. I'm so original, somebody make copy. My son points at the TV and say Poppy. This reminds me there's people behind me, and God to guide me with you beside me, girl.
Skylines and city lights are all I see as I'm wasting away.